Hi everybody! As you made this Japanese-style hamburger with this daikon radish sauce, I'm sure you have this daikon radish left over. Today, I'll show you how to use this daikon radish. This is one of my favorite Japanese recipes. I hope you like it.
The ingredients are shiitake, minced chicken, of course, the leftover daikon radish. The condiments are sake, mirin, light soy sauce, dashi, and potato starch. You cut the daikon radish in about 5 centimeters each. And take off the skin. This is a point. You just cut the edges to make them round. Which makes it easier to permeate. This is called mentori in Japanese. Lay out all the daikon radish in a pan and pour dashi to cover the whole thing. Then add finely chopped shiitake and let it boil. Now add sake, mirin, and light soy sauce. Put the lid on to really cook it until the daikon radish gets so soft. When the daikon is ready, take them out from a pan. Then you add the daikon leaves and minced chicken to cook it. And when it's got really boiled, add water mix with potato starch to make it thick. Now it's ready to dish up.
I think this is one of the common recipes for Japanese people. So if you have Japanese friends and once you make it, they're gonna be surprised and they're gonna like it. So I hope you're gonna make them surprised.